QR codes are awesome. What if you could make a QR code that plays a video? That video could explain an assignment, introduce vocabulary, build background knowledge, or simply make someone's day. You can easily record video with your computer's webcam. You might have an app for this, or you can use a website like webcamera.io. Record your message. You can keep the video simple or use an app to enhance and edit. Once your final video is saved, upload it to Google Drive. I like to put mine in a folder called QR codes so that I remember not to delete it later. I right-click the video file and get the shareable link. Google has copied the shareable link, so now I will open a tab to goqr.me. I click the URL icon, and then in the web address field, I paste the link that was copied from Google Drive. Then I right-click the QR code and copy the image. In a document, I paste an image of the QR code, and then I'm ready to print. When it's time for others to view the video, they open a QR code scanning app like Enigma or iOS's Camera app. The code points their web browser to the shareable link where the video can play. You are a very special person. Keep being awesome. The world is a better place with you in it.